Saiybot review. Hey there, welcome to my review of the SAIY bot. This is a new product launch on the JVZoo platform. In this video of my Saiybot review, we're going to log into the demo members area of this software to see exactly how it works and the different features you get as part of Saiybot inside the paid members area, and we'll talk about the pros and cons of the features as part of this new software launch. Before we dive in, just to let you know, my name is Adam from Web Traffic Toolkit. I've been earning a full-time income online with digital marketing, working from home for over 10 years now, which is really cool. So I've seen lots of different software and strategies come and go in that time. So hopefully my quick thoughts on Saiybot will help you out as you do your research. Also, if you want to discover my #1 recommended online system to plug into right now for generating a realistic income online, very much focused on traffic generation and list building for that, and affiliate programs, then click the link below in the video description for that top recommended online system for getting those consistent commissions coming in. So with Saiybot, basically there's two main features of the software. The first part is basically to let you have a fresh install of WordPress for a new website you're setting up in a quicker way, because normally when you set up a WordPress account, you've got to manually go over to this sidebar here and change lots of different settings. You've got to change the title, the tagline, the permalink structure, choose the plugins you want, and remove the initial dummy pages they give you as part of the website. So Saiybot makes it much more quicker and simple to set up these initial settings of a new WordPress install. So all on one page, you can change the site settings, the name, the tagline, the permalink structure, checkbox the main plugins that you should install. These are some recommended SEO plugins and management plugins, and apparently they're going to be extending this list because you want much more options to choose the initial plugins you start up with a fresh install, and then you can remove the dummy pages as well, all in one page. So it's kind of like an admin approach which helps you quick set up a new WordPress website. This is more beneficial if you have lots of different websites as part of your portfolio and you're always creating new WordPress websites. If you're a web designer, or that's part of your affiliate marketing campaigns, is to create lots of affiliate sites, this will be more of use to you compared to if you're more of a beginner and you're just setting up one site and you're not really setting up much else. I think this is more appropriate for intermediate and advanced marketers who set up lots of sites on a regular basis, and just makes it quicker to get the initial settings and plugins installed rather than manually changing the settings one by one for each new install. They've also got an AI feature here where you click this little icon and you can actually get AI to create the site title and site tagline for you if you wanted to do that. So the second part of Saiybot is the content creation part of it. And this is where you can actually instruct AI to create a brand new blog post or page on your website, and it'll create the title for you. And then you can actually use AI to create the content, write the article. So you start that by actually typing an initial sentence or a couple of words based on what you're looking for. And then you can click the AI icon here, expand it, and it will ask you for a couple of settings. It will ask you for the word count, the type of tone you want for your content. You will type an initial text, which is kind of like the prompt in terms of what you're looking for, and it will expand the content, take an initial short bit of text and write an entire article or patch of words, maybe a couple of paragraphs or an article, depending on what you choose, based on the initial content you write. So they have an AI chatbot content generation tool and page creator built into Saiybot as well, so that's pretty cool. There's also the options to use this WordPress style drag and drop editor to add images into the posts and to create an entire blog post just with the help of AI. And AI can actually be used to create images from scratch using a prompt you give it, or you can just search an image from a library and install that into your post. Also, the other feature for the AI writing tool is to rewrite existing content. So if you've got an article optimized for SEO targeting a specific keyword on your website, you could use AI to rewrite that entire post, make it fresh and unique, but still targeting the same sort of keyword. And then you could either post that as a second post on your website, maybe slightly tweaking the main keyword you target, or you could copy and paste that rewritten article and publish it on another website, such as a guest post on a high authority website, to try and rank it elsewhere on the internet other than just your website. So I think it's very useful to have that AI rewriting tool put in there in addition to the writing content from scratch writing tool. So it's quite a cool approach to interact with a chatbot directly within WordPress to create your content for you. And there's also, actually this could be classified as the third part of the software, which is more linked into part one, which is the admin tools type of Saiybot. And you can actually open a ChatGPT style chatbot and tell it to install specific plugins or tell it to do specific admin tasks or things you want as part of your website. So you can tell it to install the all-in-one SEO plugin and it will do that for you, and that saves time going into the appropriate plugin folder on the right here and manually typing in the plugin, manually installing it. So you can do those several steps in one simply by prompting AI to do that admin task. And that's especially useful for people who struggle to navigate the WordPress members area and struggle to figure out how to make a tweak to the WordPress website. You can actually use AI to help you do certain technical admin style tasks on your website. So I think that will be very useful for anyone really, either a newbie or an experienced marketer who wants to do specific admin tasks such as arranging the plugins and how the WordPress site is installed and set up. And you can actually get AI to help you do that. So there's lots of cool features packaged into the Saiybot members area. I think some of them are designed more for intermediate to advanced marketers, and some of them are definitely useful for newbies, just to make it easier to create content, rewrite it, and get lots of content out there, targeting lots of keywords, getting traffic. And ideally, you'll be building your email list with that traffic, redirecting it to high converting affiliate programs. Maybe you can sell the leads to local businesses if that's your marketing approach. So it's definitely all about getting traffic and content out there. And Saiybot can help you save time with some of these admin and content generation tasks as part of WordPress. And I also like the fact you install it on your own WordPress website. It's not one of those product launches which give you a subdomain on the vendor's own website. It's definitely much better to have your own WordPress installation and using this type of software with your own hosting and own domain. And that's what Saiybot is. Anyway, hopefully my ramblings on Saiybot and how this software works was of help. If you want to discover how I earn a full-time income online with affiliate marketing and how I've been doing that consistently from home for over 10 years now, then click the link below. Click that link in the video description. That's my #1 recommended online system, a complete done-for-you system, and a really excellent way to get those realistic and consistent commissions coming in. So click the link below for my #1 recommended online system. Thanks a lot for checking out my Saiybot review. All the best, guys, and speak soon.